Hey friends, if you wish to free up, reduce or limit RAM usage in Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first solution is to disable startup program. So search for Task Manager in the Windows search bar and open the Task Manager. Okay, and then go to the Startup tab. And then you will find a lot of programs here. Click on status to make sure that they are arranged by the ones which are enabled on the top. Now right click and disable any program which is not currently in use or which you do not really require a lot. The next solution is a clean boot. Now what does a clean boot do? It will make sure that no non-Microsoft program is launched at startup in the next session. So by doing so you will limit a lot of RAM usage. Search for system configuration in the Windows search bar and open system configuration. Go to the services tab. Check the box associated with hide on Microsoft services. If any of the service is checked, click on disable all, apply, OK, and then restart your computer. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.